Welcome to NBC Nightly News at 6. I'm your host, Dylan Bryant, and with me today I have my dear friends Zach Witt and Alex Rhodes. Long time no see, friends. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, thanks.
Same.
So I hear you guys have a little something to share with us today.
We do in fact have something.
I think you will find it quite interesting.
Care to share?
After years of research, we would like to welcome you to the first ever segment we like to call Steel vs. Graphite. Steel vs. Graphite involves different golf clubs and characteristics about them.
This segment will compare steel golf shafts with graphite golf shafts that contain carbon fiber. If you don't know much about the shaft of a golf club, here's a little information on it. Well, first of all, there are over 30 million people in the US who play golf, and sadly, most of them do not even know the composites of the clubs they are hitting and why they hit them during certain shots.
The two main composites of the golf club shaft are steel and graphite, which is made out of carbon fiber.
Isn't carbon fiber really strong?
Yes, carbon fiber is a material consisting of thin, strong crystalline filaments of carbon used as a strengthening material.
Also, carbon fiber weighs a lot less than steel, so in a golf swing it can be swung a lot faster, making the ball go a lot farther. So what we are trying to see is if how fast you swing a club corresponds to how far the ball goes. The main goal of hitting a driver off the tee box is to get the ball to go as far as possible down the fairway, so you have a lesser distance to the green.
A lesser distance to the green means you have a better chance to get the ball on the green, so therefore you can start putting and hopefully soon you can get the ball in the hole. So in conclusion, the golf club named the driver has a carbon fiber shaft.
The driver has a carbon fiber shaft because carbon fiber is a lot stronger than steel, which means you can swing the club faster, therefore making the ball go farther.
But not everyone has the same swing speed, so are there different types of shafts?
Yes, a higher swing speed means you need a stiffer shaft in your driver so you could control the ball more when you hit it.
Carbon fiber shafts make it hard to control where the ball goes because of the flex at the top of your swing and also the flex right before you hit the ball, making the club face move to different positions. These positions are open, squared, and closed.
Open means the ball will go right, closed means the ball will go left, and squared means the ball will go straight. During the golf swing, the carbon fibers can flex into one of these positions, forcing the ball to go a certain direction.
The harder you swing, the more of an opportunity the club head can move to a different direction because the flex is stronger. Your golf swing that shot is extremely important because it determines the outcome of where the ball will go, which is basically the key in golf.
Steel shafts, on the other hand, weigh a lot more than carbon fiber shafts and are a lot easier to control because they aren't as flexible as carbon fiber.
This is why the golf club called the iron is made of steel shafts.
As well as the driver, steel shafts also have a flex at the top of your swing and right before impact with the ball.
These flexes, though, are not as big as the driver flex, giving you the opportunity of you hitting the ball more straight because the club head has a better chance of being in the square position.
This is why you use irons around the green where you need to be accurate and not necessarily have to hit the ball very far.
Graphite shafts and steel shafts are completely different.
So did you gather any data? Do you have any proof?
What we are doing is comparing the swing speed and flex that can be put on the shaft when swung to see the strength of each material.
As you can see here, the flex on a carbon fiber shaft is more exaggerated than the flex on a steel shaft.
So what I am understanding is that carbon fiber is stronger and weighs less, so you can hit the ball farther.
Yes, that is correct, and here's our data that proves it.
Wow, I'm very impressed. Well, this concludes our nightly segment of Steel vs. Graphite. I'm Dylan Bryant. Stay classy, America.